everyone, welcome back to my channel Sonia Ansari English Academy. My name is Sonia and I am from UP. So today I'm here in front of you as this is just to tell you that the more I'm improving, the more I'm getting curious to record the video. I always whole day what's going on whole day whenever I'm busy in doing my household chores. The only thing that is going on in my mind just to get free from your work from the work and just to record myself as I'm just enjoying this process because this recording the video is giving me improvement day by day. The more I'm recording, the more I'm getting fluent. So today I'm sitting, I don't know what I'm gonna speaking, but I'm just sitting in front of you and just want to speak something. Whatever will be coming in my mind, I'll be speaking. So bear with me. Don't think that I'm not telling anything. Obviously, I will be telling something useful for your spoken, just to improve your spoken. As I am improving, you will also be improved, right? So I will what to speak now. Let's speak on, yes, instant speaking. You know, earlier what I used to do, I prepared the topic and then to record my video and then to upload. But now for last I think 16-15 days, what I'm doing, I'm not preparing anything, because if you are at the point when you are able to make sentences, if you know the sentence structure, then you don't prepare English. You should always practice quick English, instant English, without any preparation. Because what will be the benefit of this? Because we want to learn English, we want fluency. Because whenever we will talk to someone, we don't get time to prepare. For example, I'm just going to the market, I'm just going anywhere, and I'll meet someone who is educated and who knows how to speak, and if he will start speaking in English, then I will not get time to prepare myself. That's why I'm asking you to prepare yourself without preparation. You can practice speaking on any topic, on any random topic. Take just any random things and start describing. That instant speaking will give you real fluency, real speaking, real conversation speaking. Because not all the time, it can be true with interviews, that I'm just gonna give interview and I'll prepare. That is good thing, but this preparation doesn't give benefits in real life conversation. And this is just for the people who know how to make sentences, who know a little bit grammar, and who are able to manage to speak. So now what should they do? They should try instant speaking. As I am sitting in front of the camera, I didn't know what to speak. Whatever is coming in my mind, I'm just speaking. Because I want this English when I will come across anyone, when I will meet anyone, and someone will ask me something in English, and I will be able to speak and to answer in English. At that very moment, no preparation will be needed. So try to speak instantly without any preparation. This thing will make you actual English, actual fluency, actual growth. Because you will come to know, you will naturally come to lots of sentence structure. So many new things will come across in your mind, and the words will come naturally when you will practice instant English at once. Whatever is coming in your mind, don't plan your English, don't prepare your English with grammar, with vocabulary, with any rules. No, just sit in front of the camera or just sit anywhere, start speaking whatever is coming in your mind. It will make your mind able to think instantly without preparation. Because you know what's going on? Whenever I prepare anything for my videos, whenever I prepare anything and I speak the same thing which I have prepared, then I get confused. Yes, I accept the fact that I get confused when I am about to speak the things which I prepared, and I start shaking, I start fumbling, I start getting hesitant. But when I speak without thinking, I really feel genuine speaking. The words come out naturally from my mind, and this is called natural English. This will make you able like a native speaker, because native speaker don't prepare. For example, if you are preparing 5 points in Hindi, I'm asking if your native language is Hindi and you will learn 10 points, and when you will speak those 10 points, you will definitely be confused, you will definitely be forget you will definitely forget 10 points in Hindi as well. Even in Hindi you will get forget. Even in your native language, if you will cram something and you will speak, then you will definitely get confused, because the natural flow comes when you speak from your mind. When you prepare something and you speak something, you get confused. When you speak something naturally, that is coming out naturally from your mind, you never get confused. So I'm asking you not to prepare anything, just to speak whatever is coming in your mind. For example, I'm recording this video. I have only one point that I will speak on: instant speaking. Now everything, whatever I'm speaking, that is naturally coming in my mind and I'm just speaking. On the other hand, if I would have prepared a topic of 1 or 2 pages on this topic, instant English, then the chance will be 100% of forgetting. I will 100% would have forgotten. But only I have one thing to speak on: instant speaking, nothing more than that. So prepare yourself like this. You will become a natural speaker. Natural speaker. That is a genuine growth. So don't prepare. Whenever you get free time, start speaking. What, without thinking anything, without thinking about grammatically mistake, without thinking anything, the structure, the grammar, the vocabulary, the rules, the regulations, the tense, nothing. Don't think about anything. The more you're conscious about making grammatically mistakes, the more possibilities there to make mistakes, because your mind is going and getting jumbled in thinking mistakes. While you are speaking, be confident. Speak wrong English, but confidently. A wrong English is always better with the confidence. A confident wrong English is always better than a slow, hesitant, but perfect English. A perfect English with hesitation, with lack of confidence, with fumbles can never give you fluency. A wrong confident English will give you fluency. Be confident, because I can give you the example of my students who are from CBSE school, and there is flow in their tongue because they are habitual of listening English. They are wrong speaker, but at the same time they are confident speaker. That's why They don't feel shy in making mistakes, right? So be careful only about your confidence and only about your speaking naturally. Don't prepare anything. Don't, from today onward, stop preparing yourself for English. Whenever you get time, just start speaking. Whenever you think like speaking, just speak. And this wrong speaking will give you accurate English, fluent English, confident English, right? So catch you in the next video. And yes, before ending the video, if you find anything useful in this video, let me know in the comment section. And if you want to ask anything, that how to how to speak instant English, if you want to know anything about this, then you can comment and let me know in the comment section that I want to learn how to speak instant English, right? Then catch you in the next video. And yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that every notification can reach you, right? So catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.